Just keep your wings out, fella. Not that one.
Yeah.
Not that one. Thank you, fella. Got you too.
They're trying to shade the area for fish.
I know, yeah, I got you, yeah. I think you're right, Jim. I got the right one now.
Snowing?
Yep, got him. I got his head in. Got his head in there.